Good day. Welcome to Physics Workroom. Now, today we shall be talking about the pressure law. The pressure law is part of gas law, and the pressure law says that the pressure of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the temperature when the volume is constant. So, for pressure law, the volume of the gas will be constant, as you can see, and the pressure is directly proportional. Let me change the color of the marker. The pressure is directly proportional to the absolute temperature again. Absolute temperature. Okay, so that means that the pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. Like we had in Charles law, it means that my P divided by T is now a constant. Is a constant. So this means that the first pressure divided by the second pressure will be the same. No, before that, if I have a gas and I have the pressure of the gas to be pressure 1, right? It means the pressure of that gas and the temperature 1 is also a constant. If I change the pressure of that gas to pressure 2, the temperature of that gas will also change to 2. Then I have, that is also a constant, right? Just like the other laws. Now, since this and this are the same, it means this and this are also the same. So I can have my P1 divided by T1. So I have my P1 divided by T1 to be the same thing as the P2 divided by T2. Now, this is the relationship of pressure law, right? That the first pressure divided by the first temperature is the same thing as P2 divided by T2. Now we are going to take an example to understand this equation better. Now to the example. Alright, now this is the question. The pressure of a gas at constant volume. When the volume is constant, it means we are talking about pressure law. It's 90 centimeter per mercury. So 90 centimeter mercury at the temperature of 20 degrees C. Calculate its pressure at this temperature. Now the temperature has increased. What do you think will happen to the pressure according to pressure law? Because they are directly proportional to each other, since temperature increased from 20 to 70, then the pressure has to increase. So let us calculate and see. Alright, what is my first temperature? My T1 is the same thing as 20 degrees C. I told you that we are going to change this to absolute temperature, which will be equals to 20 plus 273. That will give me what? 293 Kelvin. Are you following? Now let's go to the second one. This second temperature is equals to what? It's 70 degrees C. This will give me 70 plus 273, which will be what? What is 70 plus 273? That will give me 343 Kelvin. 343 Kelvin. Are you following? Okay, now what is my pressure 1? Because this is my first pressure, this is my temperature 1, and this is my temperature 2. So my P1 will be equals to 90 centimeters mercury. Now I go to the law, to the equation of pressure law, which states that my P1 divided by T1 is the same thing as P2 divided by T2. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the second pressure. I don't know P2. That's what I'm looking for. This one, I don't know. So how do I calculate that? From this equation, what do I have? If I cross multiply, then my P2 will be equal to what? P1 multiplied by T2 divided by T1. Therefore, my P2 will be equal to what? My P1 now? My P1 is 90 multiplied by what's my T2? 343 divided by 293. If I put all of this in my calculator, my answer is 105.36 centimeters mercury, cmHg. You can see that the pressure have increased from 90 to 105 because the temperature also increased from 20 to 70. And according to pressure law, when the temperature is increased, then the pressure has to also increase because they are directly proportional. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.